Vantrue N2X 2.7K Uber Dash Cam Review. Dual dash cam that delivers? If you're in the market for a high-quality dash cam setup that covers both the front and interior of your vehicle, especially as a rideshare driver, then the Vantrue N2X 2.7K Uber Dash Cam is definitely worth a close look. In this video, I take a deep dive into everything this dash cam offers, from its dual recording capabilities to real-world performance, so you can decide if it's the right fit for your car and driving needs. Wrench unboxing and first impressions. Out of the box, the Vantrue N2X feels solid and premium. It includes everything you need to get started. The main dash cam unit, with dual lenses, USB-C power cable and car charger, suction cup mount, user manual, optional hardwiring kit, sold separately. The sleek, matte black design is discreet enough not to draw attention, and installation is straightforward, especially with the suction mount, which provides solid grip on the windshield. Camera video quality, 2.7K front, 1080p inside. One of the main highlights is the dual camera setup. Front camera shoots in 2.7K, 2560x1440p at 30 frames per second. Interior camera records at full HD 1080p with infrared night vision. The front camera offers excellent clarity, even in low-light conditions. During daylight, license plates, street signs, and road markings are crisp and clear. The wide 155 degrees field of view ensures excellent coverage of the road ahead. The inside camera is ideal for Uber, Lyft, or taxi drivers. It uses IR LEDs for night vision, meaning you can capture clear footage of passengers even in total darkness. This is crucial for rideshare drivers needing documentation for safety or insurance purposes. Crescent moon night vision performance. Both lenses perform well at night, but the interior cam really shines thanks to the infrared LEDs. Whether you're parked in a dark lot or driving at night, interior details remain clear, and facial features are easily recognizable without the typical ghostly overexposure some IR cams suffer from. The front cam adjusts well to changing lighting conditions like entering tunnels or dealing with oncoming headlights. Mobile phone 5G Wi-Fi and app connectivity. A huge improvement over older models is the built-in 5G Wi-Fi, which offers fast and reliable wireless file transfers. Using the Vantrue app, you can view live video feeds from both cameras, download clips to your phone, change settings remotely. The app interface is intuitive, and pairing your phone via Wi-Fi is quick. It makes accessing footage for evidence or social sharing far more convenient. Oncoming automobile, other key features. Loop recording automatically overwrites the oldest footage when your memory card is full. G-sensor locks and saves videos automatically when a collision is detected. Parking mode. With optional hardwiring, the N2X provides 24/7 surveillance and starts recording upon motion or impact detection. Audio recording. Optional mic to capture conversations inside the car. Wide dynamic range. WDR helps balance lighting in high-contrast environments. Support up to 512 GB microSD card not included, for extended recording. Battery power options and heat resistance. The Vantrue N2X runs on a supercapacitor instead of a lithium battery, which offers better durability in extreme heat and cold. This makes it perfect for drivers in hot climates where regular dash cams might shut down or fail. The included power cable works for continuous operation, but if you want to use parking mode, you'll need the Vantrue hardwire kit, sold separately. Brain, who is it best for? The N2X is an excellent pick for Uber/Lyft/rideshare drivers needing interior and exterior coverage. Taxi drivers for both security and insurance protection. Parents monitoring teen drivers. Daily commuters looking for an all-around reliable dash cam. White Heavy Checkmark Pros. Heavy Checkmark crisp 2.7K front camera with great detail. Heavy Checkmark infrared night vision for excellent cabin footage. Heavy Checkmark 5G Wi-Fi for fast mobile access. Heavy Checkmark solid build with heat-resistant supercapacitor. Heavy Checkmark great value compared to higher-end dual cam systems. Heavy Checkmark user-friendly app experience. Crossmark cons. Crossmark no rear-facing exterior camera, limited to front and inside. Crossmark no GPS built-in, GPS module sold separately. Crossmark parking mode requires hardwiring kit. Crossmark app could use a few UI improvements. Package final verdict. After using the Vantrue N2X extensively, I can confidently say it's one of the best dual dash cams for rideshare drivers or anyone who needs reliable front and interior recording. It delivers excellent video quality, dependable night vision, and fast Wi-Fi access, all wrapped in a durable, compact design. It's not the cheapest dash cam out there, but for the features and performance it offers, it strikes a solid balance between price and capability. If you're a professional driver or someone serious about safety and evidence, the Vantrue N2X is a smart investment. Speech Balloon, let me know in the comments what you think of the N2X. Have you used it? Do you prefer a 3-channel dash cam setup instead? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and car tech breakdowns.